Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamatu speaking. This is the current affairs program presentation because due to some problem I could not prepare it properly. Only national education policy which is most important I expected from the press PIB website. Maybe one two question maybe come from the national education policy latest amendment and Olympics, and I am giving some index only, very limited current affair program. So World Press Freedom Index, India ranked 142 out of 180. It is by the Reporters Without Border. Number 1 Norway. World Happiness Index, India ranked 139 139 out of 149. It is by UNU EHS. Number 1 Finland. Global Energy Transition Index, India ranked 87 out of 115. This is the World Economic Forum. Number 1 Sweden. All are 2021 ranking. Then Inclusive Internet Index, India ranked 49 out of 120. It is done by the Economic Intelligence Unit. Number 1 is Sweden. Now giving the ranking because I am giving the ranking, I am not giving the number 1 now. Global Slavery Index, India ranked 9 out of 169. Global Terrorism Index 2020, India ranked 8 out of 163. Number 1 is Afghanistan. IMD World Competitiveness Index, India ranked 43 out of 64. Number rank Switzerland. Global Entrepreneurship, India rank Global Manufacturing Unit, India rank 142.21 out of 102. Number 1 in Norway. Global Environmental Performance Index, India rank 168 is by World Economic Forum out of 182. Denmark in the number 1. FDI Conference in India rank no. Global Connectivity Index, India rank 63 out of 79. Global Peace Index, India rank 135 out of 169. Number 1 Iceland. Global Innovative Index, India rank 48 out of 131. Number 1 Switzerland. Ease of Living Index, Human Development Index, India rank 131 out of 189. Norway. That is the most important. Human Development Index is the most important. It is done by United Nations Development Program. Remember, 131 out of 180 is a 2021 index. Human Capital Index 2020 116 out of 174. Number 1 Singapore. Global Hunger Index 2018 94 out of 102. Number 1 Belarus. It is done by Concern Wildlife and Wildlife. Ease of Doing Business, India rank 63, the most important out of prepared by World Bank out of 180. Number 1 New Zealand. Climate Risk Index, India rank 63 out of made by German Watch. The Global Prosperity Index 2020 101, India ranking out of 167. Global Gender Gap Report Index, India rank 140 out of 156. Global Handley Passport Index, India rank 84 out of 190. Global Democracy Index, India rank 53 out of 167. Number 1 Norway, done by Economic Intelligence Unit. Global Talent Competitiveness Index 2020, 72 out of 132, number one Switzerland. Corruption Perception Index, Transparency International, India rank 86 out of 180. Bloomberg Innovation Index, India rank 50 out of 110, number one is South Korea. International Intellectual Property Index, India rank 40 out of 43, number one is America. So with this, our current affairs program finished and special purpose of OCS also finished. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe to put bell icon.